Hello, welcome, it's me Niko. Let's see what we are going to learn about today. Oh, there's the magic phone. Let's see who's calling. Hello everyone, welcome back to school. We are in our new classroom. Are you ready to meet some new friends? Let's give Eddy a call and see what we are going to learn about today.
Hello. My name is Eddy. Today we are going to learn about some healthy eating habits and why it is important to eat healthy. We are going to take a look at some healthy food choices and which types of food we need in our diet. Let's go! Here we are at the grocery store. Let's go inside and make some good choices on the foods that we are going to buy. Can you see any types of food that might be healthy to eat? Take a good look around and see what are some healthy things to eat. Apples, peppers, oranges, bananas. These are all healthy choices. Our foods are divided into different groups. Our bodies need different vitamins and minerals from our different types of foods. Let's take a closer look. This is our food pyramid. Let's go through the different groups of food and see how much we should have of each. On the top we have fats, oils, and sweets. Next we have our dairy group, which includes our milk products. Beside our dairy we have our protein group like our meats, beans, and nuts. After that we have our vegetables. Next to our vegetables is our fruits. And lastly we have our grain group. Sugars and fats. Even though we need some fats in our diets, we should make sure we are choosing the right fats. Fats from nuts and some oils can be beneficial. Sugars should be kept to a minimum. Even those yummy candies and ice cream can be enjoyed as a treat, but should not be eaten daily as they don't have any good nutrients for the body. Next we have our dairy group. The dairy food groups includes milk, yogurt, cheese, and foods made from milk. Dairy foods give our bodies a nutrient called calcium, which is used for building bones and teeth. It helps us maintain our bone strength as we grow older. We need calcium in our body to help our bones stay strong. Milk products also contain protein, which helps us grow. Many people do not get enough potassium in their diets. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are a good source of potassium. Vitamin D is also found in dairy products, which helps keep our bones and muscles strong. The protein group comes next. Meats, nuts, eggs, beans belong to the proteins group. These foods are high in protein, which the body needs to help grow. Protein helps repair muscle damage and can help develop stronger muscle tissues. Protein is important as it functions as building blocks for bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. They are also building blocks for enzymes and vitamins. After that, we have here is the vegetable group. The vegetable group contains all of our yummy vegetables like potatoes, broccoli, carrots, and tomatoes. Vegetables are rich in fiber and vitamins too. Vegetables contain fiber, which is good for our digestive system. Vitamin-packed vegetables like peppers and tomatoes can help us stay very healthy. Having a diet with lots of vegetables can lower blood pressure, risk of heart disease and stroke, and reduce the risk of some diseases. Then we have our fruit group. The fruit group contains all of our delicious fruits like apples, oranges, kiwis, and strawberries, to name a few. The fruit group consists of lots of vitamins that the body needs. Fruits high in vitamin C can help our bodies fight away nasty germs and colds. Vitamins B, C, D, K, etc. Fruits can also help with keeping us healthy and in shape. Lastly comes the grain group. The grain group consists foods like bread, grains, and cereals. Foods in the grain group have carbohydrates. We need carbohydrates to give our bodies energy so we can be active throughout our day. Grains are an important source of many nutrients including complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and several B vitamins and minerals. So now that we know more about the foods that we need for our bodies to be healthy, let's make good food choices. I will see you next time.